Sanibonani Dumelang, hope you are well. Kamalam Ngubuso Kamhlongo and welcome to my channel. On this channel I do travel, food and lifestyle content in the form of vlogs. So if those are your vibes and you enjoy, please stay tuned. I am currently in Midlands. I just got here and I've never been here before, so I'm excited to see what this place has to offer. They are restaurant now, but to have breakfast, and then I'm gonna have a full work day, and then after work then that's when I will also get to go out and see and things and few things and whatever. So but for now, let's just enjoy breakfast, work, and take it from there. Hey guys, we meet again. As I was searching, seeing what is interesting around the area, I see that I'm not far from Nelson Mandela capture site, and it's popular, but I've never been there, so I want to go see what that is about. And then there's also a Highgate wine estate not far from the capture site, so I'm also gonna check that out. One of the content I love is wine content, so that would be interesting. I've been to a wine estate before in Winterton. I love that. I also went in winter, so it was quite dry, so hopefully this one there'll be a bit of greenery in the vineyards. And yeah, so let's go check that one out. I'm excited. I am looking forward to it. Hope you also enjoy it. Okay. Oh, no, yes, thank you. Ninjani?
All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life. But if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no.
And we are here by Mandela's capture sites. Nothing much. Where are the tickets? I need to put something on my lips. Content creation. I actually bought this long time ago when I thought I was going to start this channel, and I forget to use it. This time around, really want to use it because cheap.
All the nights
It wasn't
I've
cheap,
spent
so I
wondering
better start
why
using it.
couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life.
Okay, because I've never seen anyone show the museum. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. I've always just seen people take pictures outside and what? Oh, Dada. And there are the elections. Wow, I love this. I love this. Seriously? Leadership. Crash. 1994 speech, inauguration speech when Tata became the president. That Elizabeth. No, it's not her. Oh, there is Ellie's Ellie. I knew she'll be somewhere. Free at last. Guys, I highly recommend this place. It's such a history rich place and it's beautiful. Oh, Zindikal, love her so much. Oh no, no. So they have these things where you can actually listen to the speech. I'm not sure what those are called, but you can listen to the audio. The Mama, hoyini, she didn't die, she multiplied. Nkosi wethu. I highly recommend this place. Bonani banolandelayo. Izinja madoda. Oh, I get. Seems like this is gonna be the hard part. Sengibona my handcuffs smelling like Robben Island ke ngoku. It's getting a bit emotional. It's just a reminder of that there are people who died, there are people who fought hard for us to have the freedom that we have today, and we shouldn't for one day take it lightly. We shouldn't for one day forget our history and where we came from and what it took for us as black people to be where we are today. That's why it is very sad to see our people suffering after all that our leaders did and sacrificed for us to have freedom, to have better lives, and now having people who are taking us backwards. So it is very heartbreaking and
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules.
Another yes. We're done at Mandela capture site. We are now at the Highgate Wine Estate for wine tasting and lunch. It's such a beautiful place. Oh my goodness, I didn't expect. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Stunning. I highly recommend you guys coming and checking this place out. Of course, I'm gonna show it properly on this vlog. And I've tasted the Chenin Blanc, Chardonnay, and the Rosé. So it turns out they only make the red wine, the Cab Sav. So we're gonna taste that one after our lunch. But the three that I've tasted, they're also nice. It's not the wines from here. Other one is from French Oak Porcupine. Yeah, the Chardonnay is from French Oak, the Porcupine, and they can't remember what the Chenin Blanc and the Rosé are from. But nice wines, and I've enjoyed them. I'm having such a lovely day. Yeah, it's almost over and it's getting late and cold. So yeah, man, enjoying. I'm having a lovely, lovely, lovely time. This place is such a tourist haven. It's beautiful, it's calm, the views are stunning, the mountains breathtaking, honestly. So guys, yeah, especially as South Africans, let's explore our country and enjoy it and take it in to its fullest because it's so beautiful. Hi, whoa. And I'm actually not sure. I'm also gonna share how much the wine tasting is. But nje going to Mandela capture site, it's like 100 rands, and it's such a beautiful museum. I think most of us do know the history of Mandela, but being there and seeing everything, and like from the beginning when he was born up until he was late, it's such an important part of thing of our history, and we should really acquaint ourselves with it. So I highly recommend this experience. And yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy my wines now and wait for lunch, and let's see what we can do in the evening. Hopefully there can be another experience we can share with you guys in the evening as well. So come along.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine, gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone, you make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do. around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love. I don't wanna care so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road, I start feeling cold, get caught up in something old that's been further down the rabbit hole. Down it goes, down it goes. Ooh. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do.
Good morning, guys. Hoping you're pila. It's a Saturday morning. I just woke up. I'm gonna get ready, then head to breakfast. I have a 12 o'clock spa appointment in a nearby hotel. I'm gonna be checking out here as well, and then check out after breakfast. Check out, go to my spa appointment, and then from there I'll go check in at a new in Hilton because I needed to be closer to that side. So yeah, that's what we are doing today. Anyways, enjoy your day as well. Enjoy your day. Oh, also last night we went to dinner. What's the name of that hotel? But the same hotel where I'm gonna go for spa now is the same hotel where we had dinner. It's the only fine dining place in this area, and if there's fine dining, I am gonna be there. Like I said in the intro, that part of the content that I love when I shoot is food content. So yeah, I went to try out, but before we even talk about that food, the Highgate food, high quality. it's it's simple food, but quality ingredients. I guess that's what I mean when I say high quality. It's quality ingredient. You can tell that it's made with love. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that. And then now coming to dinner, dinner was okay. I had lamb chops with risotto and veggies. Yeah, it was okay. Nothing to write home about. Decent. And we also had lamb curry, also decent lamb curry with roti and basmati rice. Honestly, decent food. Nothing to write home about. And the service was quite questionable as well because we had the bread. We had bread for that was nice. Actually, that was the highlight. The bread service, yeah. So we had bread with butter, and we sat with those plates for quite some time for a fine dining place. And then yeah, the service was the waiters would just walk past with we am like we are done eating, and obviously we're done eating. Can you clear up the table? Yeah, so that was my only issue with the place. But other than that, it was okay. So let's go back to that place and see. Hopefully, the spa would be a better experience than the dining experience. So, ooh, I'm excited. I am excited. I'm excited. Yes, I will dance. I will sing. If you haven't figured that one out, nje, ngizodance, ngizocula. That's me all the time, every day, all day. Yeah, guys, it's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late. I need to move.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think
I need to fill up on this. Actually, yazile this toner. It's actually micellar water, but you can use it as a toner as well. Ooh. You can use it as a micellar water as well because it's a hydro boost. I found that now I I used to use it and then I stopped using it because I was so big. So I obviously got tired of using it and I started using another one. When that one finished, the Woolworths one, I was using the Woolworths one. When the Woolworths one was finished now, I went back to the OG and I was like, now I know why I love this toner because it's so good. It's so hydrating, especially now in winter. It's so hydrating. It's so hydrating. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yeah, sana sifaka ama-mic ngisho sigqoka akunzima. Kulandela ini kwambe? Yes. This niacinamide serum is also very good if you have a dry skin, because in Gemini I have a dry skin. If you have a dry skin, this thing is good for you. It's hydrating as well. The texture is I I love it. And also angakayixoki-ke the way of doing skincare routine like a YouTuber, like a vlogger back there. Hopefully one day I'll clock that. But for now, I still apply facial products like we all do. Ngathi siyempini siyalo. For over 30s, over 25. Sifake eye cream bazalwana. Sifake eye cream bazalwana. The tonal boost, it's been good. I've loved it. I've loved it. The nice thing and the bad thing about my skin is that it reacts immediately. If a product treats me well, I know immediately. If it doesn't, then bandla, I will also know. And the fact that I've been using this for quite some time now, I think it's been a month, and I'm so happy. Then Nana says one. Otherwise, I'm seeing isingijikele. And another disadvantage of having eczema is that my skin get used to skincare products. I might start using something and it works wonders. 1 month, 2 months, the third month, my skin's like, no, thank you. We've had it. We've clocked the tea and asizi. And then one, now I must look for another, like this CeraVe moisturizing lotion. When I started using it, oh my goodness, Nana was one. And then now, sure, yes. At this point, I'm using it because of the sunscreen, but I don't know how much it's doing for my skin. But also, it's not doing anything bad. I'm just saying it's not as good as it was when I initially started using it. Because I think this is my third one. So then you know what my skin is like. I know this, and I'm dizzy. I rotate my skincare. What works today for me might not work tomorrow. Nje. That's the sad part about my skin. Okay. I use the Mizani Miracle Ink. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I'm traveling next week. So hopefully by the time I get to Pretoria tomorrow, the salon will still be open and I'll be able to go to something else. But I also love having my hair. Having my natural hair. Love it. I look so cute with my natural hair. Hayibo ngibe nje ngibe enye cute engingayazi. I think that's why I stayed with this hair long because I'm like, hayibo waze wangifanela. Ngaze ngamuhle. So now I need to do something else. I'll see how. Hey, I'm crossing fingers with the salon izobe savuliwe yazi. I'm really crossing fingers because ngakubi nje ukuthi ngiqalele enye isonto with this hairstyle. It's good. Mina I had no plans of being here. In fact nje mina kumele ngabe ngiyajima ngiku-7-day challenge on Sunday, which is tomorrow. I was supposed to have a healthy, because initially I booked it for Sunday because initially on Saturday, which is today, I was supposed to meet with my friend. Her daughter is playing sport. I was supposed to go watch that, so I booked my Vitality for Sunday. Hayi kuphi la? I need to cancel that appointment actually, as not cancel and postpone it to next week. Hi, yabona nje.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time.
This is my outfit of the day. I'm not sure if these shoes and Nale Palazzo goes together, but it will do. Wearing loafers, black loafers. They're from Woolies. My jeans are from Target. I bought this in Australia, Target. This is Shein. And my jacket is from Foschini. If you don't know this jacket, then you didn't watch my previous vlog. I'll advise that you go to that vlog so that you can see when I unbox this jacket. And then my scent of the day is Miss Dior.
last night. The world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love.
This bar.
Broken future. All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof. Look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lot,
Second location, I've just checked in. We just checked in and
baby, don't cry.
it's really cold.
No.
And if I'm planning to drop this vlog tomorrow morning, I need to start editing now. And I'm tired. So we're supposed to go to dinner. I don't know if we're still gonna go. Even if we don't go, honestly, I'm good. I just wanna be in bed and be cozy and enjoy my life peacefully without these up and downs. But I knew it was gonna be these up and downs before I even agreed to come on this trip. So okwamanje, let me edit. I'm closing this vlog here if this is it. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for the likes, your comments, for subscribing. I truly appreciate you. And I'm not sure if I'm still gonna be vlogging, if we're gonna go to dinner. If we don't, this is me signing out, and take care.
Now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here, 'cause maybe